um, COVID-19 shut down, lockdown here in the Philippines. Many Filipinos have experienced stress, anxiety, and loneliness. Especially a lot of Filipino family have only a small space, small house, that they have a limited movement, and because Filipinos
are known to be like want to deal with other Filipinos, loves to talk to other people, but since lockdown happened, so we can't do that, so
Yeah.
we experience more stress because we can talk to our friends outside and other people that's not in our house.
yeah
And also
no work.
yeah.
It's either some of the employee can work 3 to 4 a week. Sometimes they are layoff, they are decreasing
The employees.
employees, and companies shutting down.
And also one of the impact as well is the educational system. So our system now are either online or module, because we're not allowed to have an face-to-face interaction. So but the students and the teachers as well are getting more stressed because they're not ready to this system, and most of the students don't have the requirements that is needed to finish their modules and to pass their requirements, because and also Philippines has slow internet, so most places here don't have internet connection, so it's one of the big things that hinders them to have a quality education.
And also added into it, the stress is some students, some cases of suicidal cases of people, it's either a student and a teacher commit suicide because of the heaviness that they are having, like this system.
So unable to pass, thinking that you can pass your requirements, it causes you to be stressed and causes you to commit suicide.
Oh yes. One thing also that I experienced and heard some story in our area is the maternity here in our area is because of the lockdown, a lot of women who are pregnant experience miscarriage and stillborn cases, and especially with my sister-in-law is one thing, and then other relatives that I heard that they weren't able to get a good prenatal care.
Because they're not allowed to go to the hospital.
Yes, they're not allowed to go to hospital, and there are also times that they can't have enough food. Because no work. So those are the things that have what is happening here in the Philippines, especially in our area. Thank you.